Today I made these interesting guys. These are strong followers of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, but they don't waste their time in posting his quotes and photographs on social media. But what they do is they clean forts, one fort at a time. Thank you guys. This is how we maintain our history. Malhargad or Sonori Killa was the last fort built in Maratha Empire in mid 17th century. Nowadays, the way we enter the fort is the Chor Darwaza. It is a hidden passage to get out from the fort. The fort is still in good condition. It is believed that the fort was built to keep watch on surrounding Sahyadri ranges. Today I am painting view from the main entrance of the fort, which is actually not in use. But still I feel people at that time used to believe in the first impression, because the first glance is really awesome. You see the stairs entering the Bale Killa and the top of Mahadeva temple.